with Deck Sealer Asphalt Maintenance. We're in Annapolis, Maryland, seal coating a church. So we got the first layer, we got the sealer down. We're just doing the line striping. As you can see, we're doing a hash mark here. And over here you can see we put some lines down. And we're just gonna keep going at it. So I'll show you that here. That's the, here, I'll take that.
All right.
That's the line striping there. You can see how crisp it looks. See, we take, pay a lot of attention to detail here. We put this, white line down through here. It'll wash off once it rains. This white line just ensures that we have a nice straight edge. We put the shingles down there, make sure we got a nice straight edge on every line. They're all even. When you look down there, they're nice and even. So we're doing handicaps here. And that's about it. This is what it looks like.